I'm pretty sure y'all saw me yesterday on Instagram. I got on Instagram Live like 15 times, it seemed like. It was probably only like 3 or 4 times, but my connection was bad. That's why I kept jumping on, jumping off. I like to get on Instagram Live and just have fun. I was in a really good mood yesterday, and I found my old iPod, my old iPod, and it was nothing but vibes. And when you find the old music, like during high school and stuff, that was a vibe. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Daily Bread. Number 14, man, we're on 14, it's 2 weeks. 2 straight weeks of vlogging, that's crazy, man. I'm shooting for 100 days. I don't know if we're gonna hit 100 days. I'm confident that we will, as long as there's no technical difficulties, but I hope you guys are excited for a great video today. Great day, great morning, great afternoon. Let's get this bread. We're gonna start the morning off right. We're gonna pick the shout out of the day. I had a couple pretty good comments, so we're gonna pick the comment shout out of the day, whatever the hell we're gonna call this. So the first one, ready for this? What does the Spanish fireman name his 2 kids? Jose and Hose B.
Dad joke.
That one was pretty good. Did you hear that? What does the Spanish fireman name his 2 kids?
Spanish fireman.
Yeah.
Jose 1 and Jose 2.
Wow, you got it pretty close. Jose and Hose B.
Oh.
Huge shout out to Chris Brooks for watching the vlogs. Thank you for commenting and supporting. Make sure to comment.
My topless neighbor stop doing their yard work. Yeah, he wishes his wife would do it too. Oh, man, one day.
Make sure you guys like and comment on the videos, and you could be tomorrow's shout out of the day. I do have to give one more shout out to B Maudo Feed. I don't know how you pronounce that. Anyway, he said snapbacks and slides definitely need the handlebar stash now.
Yes.
So I'm probably gonna get rid of it today because it's not growing. It's not going anywhere.
Handle it.
I can't handle it. It doesn't grow any more than this.
Can you handle it?
I can't handle it. I could just about cry right now. Just about cry because one of our customers brought us Bojangles. Oh my goodness. Some of you may know, some of you may not know. I have a very special connection to Bojangles, and this made my day right here. Made my day. I hope you guys can have such a fantastic day as I'm having one. Happy Friday. Shout out to Bojangles. What do we do at work? We put wieners in our mouth. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. I'm sure most of you know, but for those of you that don't know, let me give you a really quick rundown of the video today. So I've got a 2014 Silverado 5.3 with a completely stock engine, no intake, no tune, no nothing. And this is what the exhaust sounds like. Now I do have straight piped exhaust. I've got just the normal exhaust back to the cats, and then the cats, everything back is straight piped, dual exhaust. So let me give you guys a little bit of a preview of what that sounds like. Cold start up, it has not been started since I got to work this morning. Not too bad, got a nice deep rumble to it. So if you guys are looking for that kind of sound, that's definitely something you want to do. Cut out the resonator in the middle, cut out the muffler, and this is the sound that you're gonna get. It's definitely a good sign. Definitely a good sound. I like it. Not too much, not too little. You know, it might wake the neighbors a little bit, but just so you guys know, this is coming off today. I'm not leaving that. And on the other side of the spectrum, we've got this lowered, slammed, and cammed, as they say, 2004 GMC Sierra. If you would, please give me the before you guys hear the crazy sound that's about to come out of this. What have we done?
Well, it used to be a 5.3 liter 2004 GMC Sierra.
Respectable.
Yeah, it was a farm truck with a camper shell on it, just stock height. So what I did was I put a 2.4 drop on it, and I swapped it over to a 6 liter, paired that up with a 4 LED transmission with some 410 Eaton True Track posi in the rear, complete with the 22-inch snowflakes wrapped in the Nito 420, 545/22.
Yes, sir.
Paired that with the Trailblazer SS intake. Should be looking at about 400 horsepower.
400 horsepower.
To the wheels.
to the wheels. Can I hear what it sounds like?
Absolutely.
So the people can know what a truly built truck, well, not maybe truly to your standards, but what a built truck sounds like compared to my stock truck. So he does not have it fully tuned yet. This truck has been running and driving for just a couple days, so it's going to be a lot choppier, and he can't really do any, you know, excessive revving or anything because it hasn't gone through its 500-mile break-in period. So that, I like it.
Yeah, now that's Cook 7/8 headers with full 3-inch mandrel bent exhaust into a Magnaflow muffler there. That's what gives it that unique sound. I haven't heard another one like it. I think it's the best sounding truck on the road.
You probably won't hear another one like it. What do you guys think? Should we do something like this to the Tahoe? Should we lift it? What do you think? Let me know below in the comments. I think lifting is the way to go, but I think the engine mods are a must for both trucks. I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. It's coming off right now. I cannot stand to look at this any longer. Has to come off right now with all my clear coat. Gotta come get off of there. That looks a lot better. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm in a good ass mood. Like, let's get this bread. I don't know what it is. I'm just in that mood, like just that vibe. Nothing can stop me right now. Nothing can stop me. And that's how y'all need to be every single day. Nothing can stop you. Davis's truck was cool. Once he gets through the break-in period, we're gonna be able to really have some fun. He said he wants to do burnouts and stuff like that. So we're gonna have some fun with that truck. And hopefully the Tahoe will be even faster than that at some point. We'll see, you know, 400. He's gonna be pushing 500 horsepower when it's all said and done with. But I want you guys to know, when I get back into the sun here, I want you guys to know that I'm extending the giveaway to tomorrow. So you guys have this video to comment done. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment done under this video. That's all you gotta do. I already threw out the shout out of the day. If y'all drop something funny in the comments below, I'll shout you out tomorrow. I think tomorrow we've got a new mod, or I'm gonna attempt to get the mod installed on the Tahoe. So hopefully that's what we're doing tomorrow. I got some yard work I need to do. Sunday's gonna be a fun day because I have no idea what's going on Sunday. But I mean, that's just, we're gonna have fun. Maybe I'll go over to the tent shop or something. I don't know. You know, we get this bread regardless. Either way, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You could win 2 black jam handles and the custom Bread Gang hat. No, I'm not selling these. I'm not doing merch right now. I don't have enough time. I'm working 2 jobs, daily vlogging on the YouTube channel. We are grinding our little donut holes off. That's what we're doing right now, grinding. And you should be doing the same thing. Take advantage of every day to grind your donut holes off. Daily bread. Get bread daily. I know it's cheesy, but you need to be doing that, just like I am, or trying to at least. Comment under this video, enter the giveaway, or don't enter the giveaway. Just subscribe because you like your boy. All right, I'm done talking for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I start the yard work. As always, I hope you guys know. Let's get this bread.